Telensa Smart Streetlight solution enables connectivity and central control of streetlight assets on a mass scale using ultra-narrowband or UNB wireless network technology. Now, there are a number of key attributes that we make use of and that make this an ideal choice for smart streetlight applications. The first attribute of ultra-narrowband technology is cost. UNB technology enables streetlight connectivity over huge long distances, so for example up to 15 to 20 kilometres between a streetlight and a base station. And we can allow connection of up to 5,000 or so different streetlights through a single base station within the network. This keeps the number of base stations within the network down to an absolute minimum and means lower hardware costs for our customers. It also means it's simpler and more efficient for installation crews to complete network deployments. Security is another really important attribute, and UNB frequencies are very easily configured for operation in global territories and with secure, encrypted end-to-end comms. Reliability and longevity of the UNB network is also a really important attribute, and UNB uses dedicated network infrastructure which is managed by our Telensa team and operates in a protected ISM spectrum so that we ensure network longevity and also reliable comms with freedom from interference. UNB technology is well proven at scale, and Telensa manages multiple customer networks around the world with well over 100,000 connected lighting assets in each case. Here at Telensa we carry out rigorous network planning ahead of all of our customer installations, and we do this to ensure smooth, cost-effective network deployments, and it's hugely influential to the overall network performance. The depth of knowledge with network planning here at Telensa stands us in great stead to deliver reliable lighting networks to our customers. With skills and knowledge built up over many years and the use of powerful software tools, we're able to overcome the key challenges that you find with network planning, including issues with topography, issues with scale and density of asset coverage, and also interference management and mitigation. As the world #1 provider of smart street lighting solutions, we use a range of sophisticated software planning tools to plan rugged and reliable UNB networks for our customers ahead of their installation. The first phase of the network planning process is to generate an initial coverage map, and this takes into account local topography as well as roads and boundaries across the region. The software tools that we use utilise sophisticated algorithms to auto-calculate base station positioning, and this produces an initial coverage plan or a map that we can use to aid the planning process. The next phase of the process is capacity planning, and we do this to take account of the scale of the assets that are required to be connected and to adjust the base station quantities and positioning accordingly. Coverage and capacity plans are combined to further optimise base station distributions within the network, and we balance the requirement for achieving optimised network coverage whilst controlling the quantity of base stations that are required to minimise the costs. Our coverage maps are updated at this point and are available either as text files showing numerical data or as Google Earth maps for ease of data visualisation. Frequency planning is the final part of the network planning process. Now, UNB technology generally suffers to a lesser extent with interferences and is easier to troubleshoot and manage than other network technologies such as LoRa or mesh-based systems. However, interferences are still possible from other nearby Telensa base stations, and particularly when customer UNB networks coexist or neighbour each other in geographical terms. Our sophisticated frequency planning tools analyse and plan the network frequency requirements for each base station to minimise interference effects. And once calculated, the required channel frequencies for each base station in the network can then be visualised easily in a map view. The skills and expertise of the Telensa network planning team, combined with the sophisticated software tools that we use, ensure our customers see all the benefits from optimised UNB comms in their lighting networks. This ensures minimal base stations are required, importantly keeping hardware costs down. It ensures smooth, cost-efficient deployment of network infrastructure by installation crews, and finally enables rugged, reliable network connectivity for control of lighting assets.